This video covers programming the in and out stops on the programmable touchpad. The tools required to perform this procedure include a cordless drill and bits appropriate to your installation's hardware. Programmable controller replacement requires that the in and out stops of the slide-out room be programmed from the touchpad. Use your cordless drill to unmount the touchpad from the wall and access the Set Stops Clear Faults panel on its reverse side. Press and hold the Set Stops Clear Faults button for 5 seconds. A green LED on the touchpad's front side will begin flashing, while the red LED will stay solid. The in stop is set first by holding the motor's 1 and 2 buttons on the reverse side and the in button on the front of the touchpad. When the slide-out room's bulb seal achieves 50% compression, the held buttons can be released and the position can be saved to memory by pressing the Set Stops Clears Fault button. We can now set the out stop by holding the motor's 1 and 2 buttons while pressing the out button on the front of the touchpad. Once the slide-out room is fully extended, you can release the buttons you've been holding and press the Set Stops Clears Fault button to save the out stop position to memory. The touchpad can now be remounted to the wall and can be used as needed. This completes the in and out stop programming procedure.